Okay, hello, this is a quick one. This is good on the 30 minutes time frame. I don't know what you are doing on 30 minutes time frame. I did not teach you 30 minutes time frame. I have shown you screenshot of 30 minutes time frame. That one is home, by the way. First of all, this is a high level overview of the class. I told you start using TradingView. I taught you guys TradingView app. Download the app. Try your possible best. Download the app. What you have to notice is that, see, when it comes to things in life, good things does not come easy. You are complaining of network issue. That is the cause of doing something good. There is always a stress attached to something good, and you have to pass through those stress for you to enjoy that particular benefit. So there is nothing good that comes easy. I've been in a situation where I'm supposed to take a trade. My network freezed, and because my network freezed, I was not able to take that trade. But I tried my possible best to do what? To break that yoke. I was able to get something else so that even if my network freezes on my laptop, I can be able to use phone to execute trade. You all have to work your way around it, and that is the only way you can start enjoying that benefit. So there's always an obstacle to everything we want to do in life. So you have to break through those obstacles for you to start doing what? Enjoying the benefit that comes from it. So try your best to start using TradingView platform. Okay. So this is good on the daily time frame. What can you see from here? A clear market structure break, right? From this high to this low to this high, price broke through, came up, was not able to take out this high, right? Reacted from this key level. This is the story. You are building the story. You are building the story on that pair. You are working your way, building the story on that pair. Looking at key levels, market structure, and then potential money pattern for you to do or take a trade, right? What happened? Price took out that low, right, and it's reacting from here, right? This is where price is right now. Now, what is price trying to do? We don't know. We don't know what price is trying to do. So let's scale down to the lower time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, what can you see, right? The same thing on the 4-hour time frame. The same thing also. You can see market structure from here, from this high to this low to this high to this low to this high to this low. Okay, and then to this high here, and then to this low right now. And at every point in time, price is trying to do what? Mitigate a key level with respect to liquidity. I want to teach you guys liquidity, but then I've not seen the seriousness in all of you. If I host tomorrow night is our live session, and I will be online, you guys will not show up. Let's see whether you guys will show up so I can teach you guys liquidity also. Now, at every point in time, price is taking out liquidity and reacting from a key level. That is by the way. Now, you are trying to buy from this low, probably because you saw this key level of order block. But I always keep hammering on this. I always keep hammering on this. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. I keep hammering on this. What is it I'm hammering on? I said before you can be able to buy or sell at any point in the market, there are two important questions you need to ask yourself. The first question is, if you are trying to buy from a low, what did this low do that will warrant you to buy from this low in terms of structure? Did this low you are seeing here now you are trying to buy from, did it take out a major structure to the upside? Because of course, if you are trying to buy, a low has to take out a high and then returns back for you to do what? Take that buy. You now have a valid reason that, okay, because this low took out a high to the upside, I cannot be able to confidently do what? Looking out for a buy from this low. It is not just enough. And secondly, did it give you a fresh level of order block here and start mitigating it for you to start looking out for what? For buy. Now you can start looking out for buy if eventually, let's say for instance on the 30 minutes time frame, which I don't usually use 30 minutes, I always look out for 1 hour. That is my barest minimum. On the 1 hour time frame, price gives a key level of what? Order block, right? And then begin to respect that key level just the way it was respecting these key levels. Look at these key levels. Price was respecting them. This is the same way price needs to start respecting these bullish key levels of what? Order block. His price comes back here, respect this key level of order block. That is when you cannot say, okay, fine, this probably, even though the structure is still bearish, maybe price wants to have this way to the upside. But if these two things, first, the most important thing is that low. This low did not take out this high, right? This low you are seeing here did not take out this high up. And if you're using the mobile app on TradingView, you can use two hands and zoom in and zoom out so you can see the structure very well. And if the candles become too much, you can zoom in into the higher time frame to see the candles very well. So before you look out for entry or buy, maybe you are seeing a kind of a bullish bat, but that bullish bat means nothing if the structure does not align and if the key level does not align. So maybe you are seeing a bullish what do you call it, a bullish bat pattern here, right? So you have to be able to do the work for you to enjoy the profit. That is just it. There is no shortcut to it. There is no shortcut to it. This low you are trying to buy from did not break a high. Look at this thing here. Look at this guy here. Look at what I drew for you, right? Look at this stuff here. This low has to take out this high for me to do what? Look out for a buy. This low has to take out this high up. This high up. Let me remove this guy. So this low has to take out this high up, okay, potentially, and then probably gives you a kind of a harmonic pattern in this form, right? Comes back to here. That is when you can now confidently look out for a buy. Look at all the whole structures and all the whole setups I've been sending to you guys. It is still the same thing. First of all, get your key level from the higher time frame. Look out for that place you want to buy or sell. Did it break structure to the upside if you are trying to buy? Did it break structure to the downside if you are trying to sell? Then has price pulled back again into that key level? We'll talk about liquidity later on. So please be able to do the work for you to enjoy the profit. So that trade you are taking, realistically, technically is not correct. Okay, so one thing about doing something that is not right is that it works the first time, it might work again, and that is very wrong. So please apply these necessary corrections and you begin to see a lot of improvements in your trading. I wish you all the best. Okay, keep working hard. You are getting it, but you have to keep up. Keep up, right? So bye for now.